Hello, this is me, your friend Sanjay Call again. In this video, I'm just uh, trying to reach you for my next session, which is on 22nd of June in New Delhi, and the topic is fear. We all do have fears, but what is a fear? If I have some fear, how to overcome that fear? It's my fear, not somebody else's fear. As it is my fear, so I have that fear and I have to work on it to overcome that fear. In my childhood, I had a lot of fear to get lost in the streets. Get lost somewhere where I cannot find my home back again. I cannot reach to my near and dear ones again. That was the fear. Unless you don't step out of that comfortable zone and where we groom that fear, which becomes bigger and bigger every time, we cannot overcome that fear. It takes time. It's not easy. But one has to be intentional about it. One has to be determined about it. And it's only when you think you can overcome that fear, you will win it. I told you about my childhood fear, getting lost. And if you look back, see where I am. In middle of nowhere. I don't know where I am. And see where I'm heading to. I don't know. The same person who used to be scared of going into the streets alone or in the roads alone, I am venturing out to conquer my fear. What happens? Nothing. Unless you don't face it, you don't know how to handle it. You cannot overcome that. And once you overcome that fear, you will see life is so beautiful. How many times I have messed up with my life with that unknown fear. Can it be beautiful? Can you do it? Yes, you can. Why not? But only you can, because it's your fear. I will look forward to see you on 22nd June in Delhi with a topic this time, fear. Have a lovely day and look forward to see you soon. Enjoy the view. Overcome your fears. You'll enjoy it.